Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. The ETH chart is basically unchanged, but ETH is sort of developing a very healthy fourth wave now. So this is what we suggested already before the weekend, that it's going to be a slow weekend, and then whether ETH is probably working on a wave 4, and that I ideally would like to see a more healthy fourth wave, not what we had here, which was very, very shallow. It wasn't really deep enough, right? Because if you just apply the wave count and just visually put your waves here, you'll put your 3 and 4 here, which is honestly technically valid. It's just, in my opinion, not reliable. I'd always like to see a healthy wave 4. Experience tells me that this is often what we have to go with, the expectation of a more healthy wave 4, because otherwise the pattern gets broken easily. Okay, so that's why my take is, based on my work with fib levels as well, that this here was a third, this low on Friday, and then as suggested, a fourth wave pullback on the weekend. This happened. Price did move higher short term, which is the expectation, has been the expectation, into the resistance area. I pointed out many times that 1649 here, the 38.2 retracement level, is the ideal retracement, the ideal target for a fourth wave. In this case, it seems to be unfolding as some kind of a complex corrective pattern, a WXY structure. Key resistance is really that 1649 level. 1650 showed you yesterday that on the volume profile, you see that this is also at the same time the point of control. A lot of volume, a lot of ETH have been traded at this price. That is typically an indication of where the chop will start, choppy price action, and where the price will have difficulties to get through. So through which price level, and that is, in addition to that, the ideal target for a fourth wave. So it could act a bit as a magnet, lots of liquidity will be there. And okay, if price can get above that, which of course is possible, I mean, even if it's just short, for a short period, you can see that here, price reached that level here, 1660 a few times, but then got rejected. Now, 1660, I mean, if it can get there, no problem. It would purely be a WXY structure as already on the chart here. And this would be also the 50% retracement level. Now, if the price can break above that level, above the 50% retracement, then this cannot be a wave 4. Okay, then this is too deep, too strong to be a reliable wave 4. I would then have to reinterpret the chart, and the best interpretation I would have then, or the best, what I would need to consider really then, is that it's a high B wave. So that the B wave, which I currently have here, topped on the 29th of August, that's the current expectation, with a C wave to the downside unfolding. The high B wave would need to be considered above 1663, because if B wave already topped, we should see a nice 5-wave move down. If the B wave didn't top, this could end with 3 waves down and create a higher B wave in a more extended A, B, C pattern, in which the A wave had 3 waves, the B wave had 3 waves, and the C wave would be a potentially quite an aggressive 5-wave move, right? And then, talking about, okay, what is a potential target if that level gets broken? Well, first of all, you can see those previous swing highs. I would pay attention to these, 1724 and 1744. But then there is going to be key resistance around 1850. Again, you can see the choppy price action that we were dealing with in the recent months and weeks. So this might slow price down if it goes higher to that level. But at the moment, the expectation is for another low to occur. And then this could get to, first of all, 1591 and 1576. These are the next micro support levels to watch. But ideally, I'd like to get price to 1536 to 1459. And then this is also the area that I will use to watch for the next lasting low. If then the price from here creates a 5-wave move up, I will start to buy pullbacks in a 3-wave pullback. That would be a long trade setup, needs a bit of patience to wait for the 5 waves up to complete. And in contrast to that, if price rallies in a corrective rally, then this is an interesting short trade setup for lower in 5 waves. This could come up this week, next week, so it's going to be interesting. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You find there additional content that you don't find on YouTube. And if you're interested in the membership, then yeah, you can find the links in the description. Here you can get access to the weekly live streams. They're always educational. You can put requests in for coins. In addition to that, we are offering a lot of educational material about Elliott Waves in our membership. On Discord and Telegram, you can join the chat rooms. And as a gold member, you get additional market updates even in between videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.